Workspaces, boards, groups, tasks, columns. These are the 5 core building blocks of Monday.com. Master these and you can create any workflow with confidence, and you can pull out any reports on your dashboard. Let's break it down.
Navigate to the Monday.com website. Click on Sign Up to get started. Enter your business or personal email, then click Continue. If asked for a code, check your email from Monday.com and paste it in, otherwise continue. Complete your profile by entering your full name and password. Enter your company or team name. This will form your unique workspace URL. Click on Continue. Select your role, team size, and how you'll use Monday.com. Click on Continue. Invite team members by entering their emails or click Remind me later to do this later. Type your first board name, then click Next. On the next screen, select the columns for your first board, then proceed to the following screens to land on your first workspace dashboard as shown. Now let's discover how to create boards directly from the application homepage. Click the plus sign and select Board to create a new board. To create a new board, enter a name, accept the default main and item settings, and click Create Board. For our software development projects, we will change the item terminology by clicking the 3 dots, hovering over Settings, and selecting Change Item Terminology. We will change it to Tasks and click Change, which updates the top label to New Task. Clicking the title lets you add a description to inform others about the board's content. One can also view details like board type and owner creation date. Mark it as a favorite by clicking the star. Next is assigning and grouping of tasks according to project phases. The Monday.com framework consists of groups and items within boards. Teams use color-coded groups to organize their items or tasks. Tap the group title to change its name. Click the blue arrow next to New Task and choose New Group of Tasks to add a new group. Alternatively, you can add a new group by clicking the button at the bottom. Use collapse groups to keep your workspace clean and focused. One can change the color of groups to make them more distinct. The 3-dot menu offers quick access to various features. With quick selection over here, one can collapse, move, rename, delete, or archive the group. The group can be collapsed and moved using drag and drop. Next is to initiate new tasks. Begin entering tasks by clicking inside the items. Using Shift plus Enter allows you to add multiple items sequentially within the same group. Hover over a row to see the pointer change to a hand, then click to open the task in the right side panel. You may add a description and attach relevant documents here. Similar to the group, each task row features a 3-dot menu for quick access to task-related actions. You can manage tasks by opening them in a side window or a new tab, moving them to the top, a different group, or a new board, adding sub-items, archiving, or deleting them. Sub-items can be added by clicking the pot icon, which expands the item. Selecting the 3 dots on a subtask reveals the same menu options as a task. Next is how to add new columns and update existing ones in the workflow. Click a column header to rename it. Click the 3-dot menu next to a column name to see its actions. You can append new columns to the right with options to change their data type, and then modify the status column to text format. A new text type status column will be added to the right of the existing one. A prompt will ask you to keep the new column type. Selecting the Keep It button will delete the previous status column. You can now type in the status column to create custom statuses. Please restore the recently deleted status column from the trash to the board. Refresh your screen after restoring the status column. Before we continue, clicking a data field displays its associated information, such as opening a calendar for dates, or other fields will display information based on their specific data type. Click Edit Labels at the bottom to customize task statuses. You can create new labels or rename existing ones, then color them with the paint can icon. You can add columns by clicking the plus icon or choosing plus add columns to the right in the three-dot menu. Both options take you to the column center, allowing you to choose the necessary column. Selecting the world clock adds a new column where you can define specific time zones. You can further customize this column by adjusting the time format, 12, 24-hour, and setting specific working hours. Rearrange columns with a simple drag and drop. One can customize the column data by clicking on the data field. Add a new status value in the column settings and drag it to your preferred position. Next is onboarding the team and delegating tasks. Verify if the assignee column exists on the board. If not, add a people column as shown. We already have a default person column to use. Click the field to see the team list and select an assignee. To invite team members not in the list, click the Invite a New Member by Email button over here, or click the Invite button at the top to send an invite. An invitation email will be sent to the recipient. However, the test invitation is currently pending. After the invitation window closes, a new window will appear listing tasks for the new member. Close this window without assigning any task to the newly invited member. Once onboarded, these tasks can be assigned to everyone. You can also add more people to a task, even if others are already working on it. Once the member accepts the invitation, then it would be appropriate to assign the tasks. Go to the new assignee's email and click Accept Invitation. You will be redirected to monday.com to create your account by entering a name and password. Simply follow the prompts to complete the setup. Navigate to the My Work tab to confirm no tasks are assigned. Then log out and sign in using the previous user account. You can now assign tasks to Sean once he is added to the list via the Invite button. A major strength of monday.com is the ability to easily view all assigned tasks across multiple workspaces and boards. Click the My Work button in the top left corner. You will notice that I have been assigned these tasks across different workspaces and boards. You can see that tasks are arranged in different sections according to their assigned deadlines. To validate this, change the task dates and observe them automatically moving to different sections. With a click, I can switch to a calendar view to visualize all my assigned tasks. I can use this to establish my priorities for the day as soon as I arrive. Next is generate a board from a template. Follow the same process as before. Click the plus, Add Items to Workspace icon and choose Start with Template under the board menu. Just while learning Jira, we chose a template in Jira. You will find similar options on the left panel. Our project will focus on software development, employing the Feature and Release Roadmap template to map out deliverables. This will create the board, views, and any other default feature to your monday.com account. This template includes several columns that are not required for our board. You can remove them. Sometimes you don't know where to start creating your own board. In that scenario, using the predefined templates is a great place to begin. Navigate back to previous project. Next is how to govern a board. You can add updates, attach files, or provide feedback by clicking the task itself or by selecting the Write a New Update plus an icon. With this extra space, one can begin by outlining the main points. One can easily attach files to the conversation from multiple sources, including my computer, Google Drive, OneDrive, etc., giving me convenient access to all my documents. You can instantly update the assignee or team on the item's status by using it mentioned in the description. You can also upload files directly from your computer in the Files section. Visit the activity log to view all actions performed on the task and undo any of them if necessary. For example, to undo a team member assignment on a task, click on that particular activity to make changes. Once done, the person's field will be blank. Check the Update section for the task that currently has a two-member conversation. Monday.com lets you preview uploaded files, images, and documents directly within the Update section. I can pin a new update to the top of the list at any time. One can schedule task reminders with lead times ranging from 20 minutes to several days to stay organized. Let's walk through initiating and updating conversations when multiple people are assigned to a task. By hovering over the task assignees, one can request an update promptly. The Updates block will automatically populate with default text. Please revise this information as necessary and select Update to send a notification to the user. Please note that because items are pinned in this section, new comments will be added below them. Next, we will cover how to manage your daily tasks effectively. Click the Person tab at the top of the screen to quickly filter tasks assigned to a specific individual. Choosing a team member shows all assigned work. To exit this filter, click the X and proceed to the next feature. Clicking the Filter button opens a window, allowing you to filter by any column. Select columns to filter or display data. Remove the current settings with Clear All and proceed to sorting. You can sort columns to organize, which is helpful when dealing with many tasks. In this scenario, we sort tasks by status in descending order, aligning with the established status label sequence. You can also reorganize the grouping of your board. Click the Group By tab. Currently, in our scenario, the People option is disabled because not all of the tasks on the board is assigned yet to the team members. So now, select the Status column and apply sorting options as shown. Click Clear to remove the filter settings. Clicking the three-dot menu allows you to pin specific columns. If a table has too many columns, you can pin specific columns to keep them visible while you scroll horizontally. In this view, we froze the Status and People columns by selecting them while the rest of the table scrolls. In the next video, I will walk you through how Monday.com helps you manage work with automations, Kanban boards, dashboards, and real-time data tracking, all in one place. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing for more.